Over the last few years in particular, one of the biggest concerns we've heard from parents and guardians is whether their young person will feel a sense of belonging when they move away to university. There's lots of ways that the applicant can prepare themselves for that move from home to university before they leave home. They'll receive pre-enrolment communications from the university, perhaps by email or even physical post, encouraging them to get involved in events and perhaps some societies or social activities before they arrive. We encourage you to encourage your young person to engage with those comms to make sure they feel like part of the community before they arrive. The applicant could also join some online communities. These often pop up on things like Facebook, where they can meet students who are starting the same year as them in the same September intake before they arrive on campus. When they do arrive on campus, there'll be a week of activities you may have heard of called Freshers Week. Lots of social activities, lots of opportunity for them to meet like-minded people, to join on-campus societies, or perhaps start their own societies, or maybe join the university's sports teams. If they're moving into student halls, that's an excellent way to get integrated and feel that sense of belonging on campus, live in and breathe in campus life, even outside of teaching hours. But throughout the year, with their course and through the Students' Union, there'll be lots of opportunities for social activities in all different areas for them to engage with to make sure they feel like part of that university community.